दोस्तों, आज हम आए हुए हैं मटन चेरी पैलेस में। यह है कोची में और देखते हैं ये मटन चेरी पैलेस का हिस्ट्री क्या है और ये कैसा है अंदर से। तो चलिए चलते हैं मटन चेरी पैलेस, फोर्ट कोची, कोची में। चलिए चलते हैं अंदर। है तो ये देखिए, ये लिखा हुआ है कि मटन चेरी पैलेस के बारे में। तो इन मटन चेरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ एर्नाकुलम और कोचीन। ओके, during 15th century the Kochi royal family shifted their capital from Mahadoyapuram to Kochi as a precaution against the attack of Jamorin of Calicut. The Portuguese who landed here were permitted by the rulers of Kochi to build factories in Kochi for their trade activities and in return sought military assistance against Jamorin of Calicut. Later on, Kochi Raja became the vassals of Portuguese. Subsequently, the Dutch came and then occupied the mutton cherry in 1663. In 1752, the Travancore rulers overran Kochi and the Raja of Kochi entered into treaty with Raja of Travancore to solve the issue. Tipu Sultan's invasion of Malabar in 1789 made Kochi Raja as his tributary. But the English defeated the Tipu Sultan and took control of Malabar and Kochi. The state of Kochi was merged with Indian Union soon after the independence. The Mutton Cherry Palace was built by the Portuguese in 1555 for Raja Veer Kerala Varma as a gesture of their cordiality. It was subsequently repaired by the Dutch who succeeded the Portuguese, and since then it is known as Dutch Palace. The nature of its arch and generous proportion of its chambers represent the feature of European architecture. The palace is constructed in the form of Nalu Ketu quadrilateral structure, but its indigenous features are marked by wooden coffered ceiling, mason floor arrangements, the central courtyard ensuring the Pazanyar Bhagavati, the patron deity of Kochi royal family. The main room in this palace are Pallerai or bed chamber, Ramayana room, the coronation hall, the Kovenithilam staircase room, and the ladies' chamber. The four walls of Pallerai and ladies' chamber are adorned by magnificent mural painting, as many as 57 of them, covering a total wall area of nearly 1000 square feet. They had been added in three phases from beginning of 17th century to the end of 18th century. The theme depicted here mainly is religious in nature. For drawing the mural, only natural colors were used. The complete story of Ramayana has been depicted in 7 panels of the wall. Pallirai or bed chamber, painting of Durga, Ganapati, Vishnu and Adhimurti. Bhuta Mata, Sri Rama, Pattabhi Shekham, etc. are also seen. The mural paintings such as Krishna Leela, Shiva Parvati and Mohini were in the ladies' chamber. The ladies' chamber consists of unfinished painting and line drawing. They are mainly the scenes from Kumar Sambhavam and Parvati Pariyanam. There is a rare representation of Tipu Sultan in outline. This site, centrally protected by monument under the control of Archaeological Survey of India since 1951. Presently, an archaeological museum is housed in the palace. Okay, so this is about this palace, Mutton Cherry Palace in Cochin. Okay, so let's go inside. And it seems a little temple on the side. Okay, so let's go inside. What is there? Yeah, this is Mutton Cherry Palace. Mutton Cherry Palace. तो अभी हम मटनचेरी पैलेस के अंदर से होके आए हैं। बहुत ही सुंदर बना हुआ है और यहाँ पे दीवारों पे पूरे रामायण की फ़ोटोज़, भगवान की फ़ोटो पूरी उकेरी गई है और उसमें बहुत यहाँ के राजाओं के बारे में, कॉइन्स के बारे में और स्वॉर्ड्स के बारे में लिखा गया है। तो ये बहुत ही सुंदर और देखने लायक घर है और इसमें पूरा वुडन का काम किया गया है, छत में भी वुडन का काम किया गया है। आप मेरे फ़ोटोज़ में देख सकते हैं। एंड इट इज़ ए must visit palace if you are coming in Fort Kochi. Okay, so please do come and see this, and this is a very nice architecture and still maintained. Okay, it is a museum, converted into museum now. It's very nice place to come, and it has a lot of history behind it. Do visit when you are coming to Fort Kochi, Muttoncherry Palace.